What is going on, everybody? My name's Jim, and welcome to the Poke Dynasty. Today, we're going to be opening up some Chilling Reign, or some Chilling Pain is what they call it. See if we can pull anything good. Got both of the Elite Trainer boxes, the ETBs, and I'm going to pull the phone up right now so you guys can see both illustrations of the ETBs. I got some check lane blisters and everything like that, and the 3-pack, so we're going to go ahead and open these up. Check out this Mopico. Set that pack right over there. These don't fall out very easily like all the other ones. Look at this coin. Look at that coin. Let's fix this up real quick. There we go. Looks a little bit better. Is that more Pico? There we go. And here is the code card for that one. Gonna throw this stuff away. Alright, let's look at this Fanfi. Set the pack right over there. Coin's the same thing as previously. Here's that promo Fanfi. There's the code card. Let's open up this triple Rowlet. His evolutionary line. Put this pack right over here. There's the Rowlet. And those ones aren't promos, those are just normal ones out of a packs. I forget which one that one is. But here's the code card for those. And still got the coin in this one. There's that coin. I actually like that coin better than the other ones. This one's going to be the better coin, at least to me. This is the triple pack. Let's go ahead and sit these over here. Here's the code card for those. Here's the definitely no longer mint. The promo Snorlax. There's the code card. Let's get that coin out of there. I like that coin. That's a Lucario. Alright, well, before we get into those ETBs, let's go ahead and open these packs up. Oh man, these packs are definitely tough to get open. Try not to reveal the card, the code card. Alright, there's that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Fire Energy. Conviction. Gloves. There's Porygon 2. Mareep. Ralts. Cast Form. Snover. Yamask. Ooh, a Score Bunny. Reverse Hollow. And Grappalot. Holographic. Don't even know what that guy was. Never seen him before in my life. As you guys could probably tell, I'm going to try the Master Set, the Chilling Reign as well, even though that one's going to be a really tall task because, you know, it's very, very hard to pull anything and there's a lot to pull, so. Electric Energy, Kakuna, don't even know what that girl's name is, Helmet, Coughing, Shuppet, Spheal, Score Bunny, that's pretty cool looking, and a Malamar. Alright, so out of these packs, not looking so hot, but we just started, so keep this up with a green card, because turn that on the opposite side. There's that. You never know. That card could be wrong. Could still get something decent. Corellia, Mareep, Rock and Rough. Let's fix that a little bit. There we go. Swirlix, Lapras, Deerling, Lycanroc, and Nickelodeon. So no hits so far out of those, what, 3 or 4 packs? 3 packs. So we got 3 more of the blisters. Then we can jump into those ETBs. Ooh, a Doctor. Fellow. Score Bunny. Diglett. Colette. Deerling. Malamar Reverse Hollow. And an Aron. Or Agron. Wow. I am butchering these names. Oh, there's that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Kaylin. Lucky Energy. Chest Plate. Blitzel. Quillfish. Galarian Slowpoke. A Weedle. Clobbopus. Castform. Sunny. And a Shaman. Holographic. At least we pulled 1 holo out of that. I know. Told you this Chilling Reign, man. It's not fun. It's very hard on people. Water Energy. Cemetery. Steenie. Tree Hill. Lapras. Blitzel. Aron. Deerling. Delibird. Galarian Slowpoke. Reverse. And a... yeah, now I'm trying to pronounce her. Alright, well, as I can show you, obviously, that was pretty rough. And let's jump onto these ETBs. Go with this one first. That one didn't cut very well. Alright. So we get out of these ETBs. There's that book. Set that right over there. Alright, so here is the sleeve holders. There's the code card on that one. See if I can focus a little better. There we go. Here's all those card separators. There's the packet of energies. The little rule book. Here's the dice and tokens they give you, which is quite nice. They add those into these ETBs. Here's all the packs. We got 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. That's all for that. go ahead and open this other one up and get the rest of the packs out. So how many of you guys have been opening up the Chilling Reign? Any of you guys been pulling anything out of these? I don't even remember what. I know it was the Galarian Birds in this one, so no, I'd prefer getting the Zapdos out of these, but what's your guys' favorite bird? Put that down in the comments if you like. I'd greatly appreciate it. Alright, so there's a code card for that. There's the sleeves for this one. Energies. There's that rule book. Here's the dice and counters for this one. I do like how they change up the colors of the dice and everything. Here's the card separators, and here's all the packs. Alright, let's get to cracking some of these packs open. See which ETB was better, if it was this one or this one. Which I'll have to look back in the videos to see which one was which. Suggest there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy. There's a chest plate. Caitlin, Kakuna, Godfu, Blitzel, Quillfish, Galarian Slowpoke. There's the Weedle, Spiral Energy, and a Volcanion V. Starting this ETB off with a hit. Keep that energy going, hopefully. Pull something else out of this ETB. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. Kakuna. The helmet. Heracross. Grookey. Sneasel. Weedle. There's the Path to the Peak holographic, and Cresselia, there we go. Almost couldn't get that one out. Holographic. So we got at least a holographic out of that one. No, we'll keep going until we get something that's not so good, like a non-holographic. Fire Energy again. Lucky Energy. Chestplate. Ooh, a Flaffy. Ghastly. Ladybug, Porygon, Swirlix, Sneasel. Ooh, there's a Melanie reverse holo, and a Galarian Weezing non-holographic. Alright, so far in that ETB, we'll 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll do one more to open halfway. At least got one hit, one holo. See if we're gonna up any of those. Preferably not the non-holo. Psychic Energy. Larion. Mareep. Heracross. That little guy. Look at him. Just a little guy. Grookey. Sneasel. I'm getting a lot of these reverse holographic trainers. Ooh, and a Blissey V. Look at that. Alright, so 2 hits so far out of that ETB. We'll wait for the first 4 packs of this other ETB. So far the one on the right is obviously winning because I haven't opened anything on the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Steel Energy, Flaffy, Clara, Haunter, Snover, a Yamask, Caffeine, Shuppet, ooh, Reverse Sneasel, and Banette. Alright, very first pack, got a non-holographic. Pretty rough start on this this side. Hopefully it can bounce back. There's a code card. Water Energy, Impact Energy, Path to the Peak. We got a Drizzile, Porygon, Heracross, Sobble, Inkay, the Briska. Ooh, a Tornadus V. Alright, we got a hit on that side now. So it did redeem itself a little bit. Go for another one. Fortunately, it cannot get a non-holographic. Otherwise, it'll be going behind on the other side. Gloves. Gloves. Justify gloves and weeding gloves. Avery. She's wearing two different types of gloves. Reap. Ralts. Castform. Tornadus. Reverse holographic. And a Weezing. Non-holographic. Alright, so this side is already not doing too well. It needs to catch up. You know, get a VMAX. That will put it back in a lead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass Energy. Whirlipede. Crushing Gloves. Honey. Blitzel. Ghastly. Coughing. Delibird. Galarian Farfetch. Ooh, a reverse Ghastly. That actually looks pretty sweet. And a Wildren. Non-holographic. Alright. 3 non-holographics on that side. That's pretty rough. Let's see what this side does now. It's got 4 more packs on this side. 4 more on the other side. Steel. Drizzile. Phony. Kalen. Diglett. Orvesta. Inkay. Rock'n'Ruff. Reverse Holo Banette and a Zangoose. Non-holographic. Alright. At least giving the other side a little bit of a hope on coming back. Let's go with a Fire Energy. Psychic. Grelia. Fall Crystal. Brawly. Shuppet. Goopfu. Dritzel. Quillfish. Galarian Slowpoke. A Kaboot. Reverse holographic. And oh wow, Sandacana VMAX. Alright, that is putting this side far in a lead compared to the other side. He is up, you know, at least 1 holo, 1 V, and now 1 VMAX compared to the other side. I don't know if he can come back from that. We got a Water Energy. Hatchrim, Drizzile, Phony, Shuppet, Spheal, let's fix that stack here, Swirlix, Yamask, Nickelodeon, Reverse Holographic, and a non-holographic Ampharos. Alright, so is that now 3 non-holographics compared to 3 non-holographics? Alright. Maybe. Last pack on this side. Can't start in strong. Go for that Water Energy. Dark. Scroll of Piercing, Sorunt, Venipede, Snover, Galarian Slowpoke, Crabrawler, Weavile reverse holographic, and Galarian Weezing non-holographic. Alright, so this side is behind a holographic, a V, and a V Max. Can it redeem itself? Give it a shot. Doctor, Celio, Spheal, Swirlix, Yamask, Cast Form, Sunny Form, Normal Cast Form, Fire Resistant Gloves, and Gallade. It did not have to worry about that fire. Alright, so that side is all burnt up on its non-holographic stuff. It needs something good. Otherwise, it's going to be left in the dust. Rugged Helmet. I would say getting a alternate art would probably catapult it into the lead. Blitzel, Quillfish, Galarian Slowpoke, Reverse Ralts, and non-holographic. That's pretty rough. It's got 2 packs left, and man, it's on its last leg. All it takes is that 1 pack, though. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass, Electric, Phony, Laron, Ladybug, Porygon, Swirlix, Sneasel, Snover, Kafuu, and a Sviper, non-holographic. This ETB on this side is rough. Alright, last chance. Will it make it? 2, 3, 4. It needs. A piece of paper stuck to me. Alright, it needs to get an alternate art. Scorbunny, Diglett, Galette, Deerling, Sneasel. This is for all the marbles. Thundurus, holographic. It did not. This other side on the right, I pulled it off. I appreciate y'all watching. Please like, subscribe, give me a comment. I'd appreciate it, and y'all have a good one. Bye.